What is rain gauge? Rain gauge is a device used to measure the amount of rainfall that falls from the sky. Rainfall happens when water vapor in the air turns into the liquid or solid water and comes down to the ground. In weather monitoring, knowing how much rain falls is really important for studying the weather. One common type of rain gauge is called a tipping bucket rain gauge. It's more accurate than a regular measuring cup style rain gauge. With a tipping bucket rain gauge, you don't have to manually read the measurement because it gives out the values directly. Stainless steel rain gauges are often preferred for long-term outdoor monitoring because they hold up well over the time. Now, let's understand what is the main role of the rain gauge. The main role of the rain gauge is climate monitoring. Rainfall data collected over a long time helps scientists to study climate changes. Second is in agriculture. Farmer uses rainfall data to decide when to water their crops and when to plant seeds and when to harvest. Enough rain is really important for crops to grow well and for the soil to stay healthy. Third point is water resource management. Rain gauge data helps manage water resources like rivers and lakes. By knowing how much rain falls, authorities can plan how much water to keep in reservoirs, how much water can go back into the ground, and how much to prevent from flooding. Fourth topic is environmental monitoring. Rainfall measurements are also used to watch over nature. They help scientists see if ecosystems like forests and wetlands are getting enough water or not. Changes in rain patterns can affect plants and animals that live in these places.